So here at the Consumer Electronics Show, you see a lot of electric transportation solutions that are kind of, well, not really the best looking thing, but that is not the case here with the Ujet electric scooter. It is super stylish, looks really cool, and I'm kind of excited about this guy. So here's the skinny. You can get a top range of 90 miles, and you can charge that in just 2 hours with the optional supercharger. Now the top speed's only about 28 miles an hour, so it's really meant more for the city, but get this, 66 pound-feet of torque, and this thing only weighs 108 pounds, so I expect that the time that you're going off of the line, I expect that to be pretty darn fun. Built-in tech features includes GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and of course there is a dash cam, but it really is the looks that kind of gets my electric motor humming. I mean, check out these wheels. There's no spokes on the wheels. It's available in a couple of different styles, and you've got 5 different color options. And of course, the whole thing folds up for easy parking and portability. We'll be able to see these in the States in the second half of 2018, and they'll start at just under $10,000.